Hi, hello competitors. Welcome to our channel, Your Bankers Mantra. I hope all you are good at preparing for SBIClerk2022 and who are not started yet, start your preparation from today onwards. And I am providing my daily to-do list videos. And these daily to-do list videos are very helpful for all our upcoming exams. So join with me and make your timetable. So let's start our tomorrow's to-do list. So as usual, before 9 am, revise all the basics of each subject like squares, cubes, formulas and some brief notes of your weak areas, and also attempt English quizzes. In Adda 247, they provide daily quizzes. So attempt daily quiz for English from Adda 247 website on daily basis. After that, give 1 hour for watching editorial video from Adda 247 YouTube channel or by Murthy sir YouTube channel. And from that editorial video, write down all vocabulary words, rules and phrasal verbs and note down all on a paper. And after that, attempt a prelims mock test on daily basis from the sources of Adda 247 or Smartkida or Oliveboard or textbook or any other source. So attempt a prelims mock test. And after that, give 1 hour for each subject of quant and reasoning. And yesterday we practiced all types of data interpretation puzzles from textbook website. And for tomorrow for quant section, attempt data interpretation quizzes from Byju's website. And for reasoning also, attempt reasoning puzzles from Byju's website for 1 hour. So in this week we all are practiced and attempted quizzes for the topics of data interpretations and reasoning puzzles. So tomorrow complete all these topics for quant and reasoning. And in afternoon we planned for mains preparation, and who are beginners, they all revise practice PDFs and also attempt quizzes for your weak areas from the sources of Adda 247, Smartkida or any other source, and also give 1 hour for English section. And in this week we attempted all mains level quizzes from Practice Mock, Guidely, Smartkida and Oliveboard apps. From these apps we can identify the level of questions, and also we can identify where to practice quizzes on daily basis to increase our speed levels in mains preparation. And for tomorrow's mains preparation, and on every Saturday we planned for mains exam. So tomorrow attempt a mains exam from Exam B website, and after attempting your mains exam, identify your weak areas where you are lacking and note down your weak areas on a paper for next day preparation. And who are beginners, they give 1 hour for English section in afternoon. So tomorrow for English for beginners, attempt error detection quizzes from Byju's app. So that is for English section for beginners. And in evening give your time for reading current affairs. So read daily current affairs and also attempt February 3rd week current affairs quizzes from the sources of Adda 247 or Affairs Cloud or any other source. So tomorrow complete February 3rd week current affairs, and all the detailed information about these videos, PDFs available in our Telegram channel, Your Bankers Mantra, link provided in description. So join our Telegram channel for more daily updates and latest updates. So that's all for tomorrow's to-do list. So and be consistent and confident on your preparation and keep fighting with your preparation. Thanks for being with me. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for more daily updates and latest updates.